Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create luxury gold sale banner using custom shapes. Start with a deep black background for contrast, then add a metallic gold gradient box in the center. Also place the product inside with soft shadows. Now add golden spark particles using brush scatter. Insert elegant curved shapes behind the product. Also add outer glow to the shapes for a soft premium shine. Type the sale text using a serif luxury font. Also apply gold gradient overlay to the text and add a thin frame around the whole design. Now create soft light streaks using long rectangles.